Right, so as a few of you know, for quite a while I've ran a Meshtastic starter kit, 4631 GPS module, and I've run it inside one of these boxes for quite a while, and it's sat in the back window of the car for many months. Yes, it's got an Alfa antenna attached to it, and it's done me really well, to be fair. The only issue is that this solar panel is, well, not big enough for UK weather to keep the little battery inside alive, magnetic strips. And the good news is, and these are on order for the shop, and I have got one on order for me, is that they're doing a bigger version, probably twice as big, with a bigger solar panel, more space inside, and some certain plugs and bits and pieces. So I'm going to get my Meshtastic starter kit, I'm going to take it out of here, I'm going to put it in the new box, and hopefully the new box with a decent sized LiPo will be big enough to actually run the Meshtastic starter kit and the GPS module, maybe a few other tricky bits and pieces as well actually, and that's what I'm going to run in here. So I'll do a video review of the new box when it comes out, and I'll be retiring this, and I'm even going to try it actually with a rack blade antenna as it's supposed to have, rather than the holes that I ended up drilling in this to make this monstrosity fit, because it is a bit of an eyesore on the back window and people do look at it when it's back there thinking, what is it? So I'll try the rack blade. Now the car obviously does the same journey quite regularly up and down the motorway between Blackpool and Liverpool, so I've got tons of data that shows how well it does on a day-to-day basis, probably for the last 3 months. So we'll try the rack blade with the rack enclosure and the rack Meshtastic starter kit. We'll put it all together. I'll probably do an assembly video, hopefully that'll go well. This one still works and we'll see how it goes. Anyway, back to trying out the mesh as I'm sat here on the seafront. Look how nice that is while shopping. Say hello, Enzo. Enzo likes Meshtastic.